You guys introduced the world's first liquidity pool for real estate. Why this is such a big deal for the world?
If you think about real estate transactions, right? Because again, these are not virtual land. They're not some meme coin or some virtual tokens. They are actual physical ownership in individual specific houses. If you think about the property market, for hundreds of years, it's basically transacted in the exact same way with little to no innovation on top of that. Everyone hates this process. What if you could take that process that real estate transacts in and sort of level it up and basically add technology to it so that you have a similar user experience as essentially buying a share of stock or, share of Apple on your Robinhood app, right? Like, wouldn't that be pretty phenomenal? The benefit of what we built here is essentially for the first time, you are able to buy ownership and sell that ownership with the same speed and user experience as buying a share of Apple on your Robinhood. Think about that for 1 second.